In this week's edition of the Business Review, we hear how one swimwear maker is diversifying and relying on the expected travel demand to see a rebound. Here's Cody and Barrett.
Jamaica, a vacation island, created the perfect environment and inspiration for Brittany Johnson to create Miakalani Swim. It began with her mother's abandoned sewing machine.
So one day I woke up and I said, I'm going to put her sewing machine to use. I went to this fabric store and I bought 2 yards of a satin fabric. Came home and made a dress. The dress was not the best made, but it could still be worn. And this was back in BlackBerry Messenger days. So I had put it in my picture and I got some rave reviews from my friends asking me to make one for them. And that's pretty much how the business was born.
Though she started with apparel, she transitioned to swimwear in 2014. A plus for the fashion industry is that it doesn't require large startup capital. She managed to start small in her bedroom, buying material from savings and a little help from family. Now, from profits over the years, she's managed to secure her own rental space. And although she's the sole employee in the business, she has forged partnerships with other local artists for designs. But hand-making different styles of swimwear from 2 pieces to versatile reversible 1 pieces can sometimes be overwhelming with large orders.
I've been working with a manufacturer who helps me to produce some of the pieces. So for example, if I need 1 piece made in bulk, then obviously, I'm one person. I can't handle that all by myself. Then I'd reach out to the manufacturer.
And according to Ms. Johnson, with each season comes a boost in sales.
Sales overseas are good. I'd pretty much say it's 50-50. Sometimes there's a boost on the website. Sometimes there's a boost here, depending on what's going on in the world. So like for spring break, obviously there would be a boost in sales from the US.
But when the pandemic came, like many others who rely on summer festivities to make a profit, she had to pivot quickly.
COVID was actually financially good for me because I pivoted and started making masks instead of swimwear. Swimwear sales dipped a bit, but the mask sales skyrocketed.
Although sales in masks last year made up for the loss, she's hoping that consumers will allow themselves to splurge a little on swimwear this year. In the meantime, Ms. Johnson is moving forward with her dreams of expanding the brand.
I want to be a worldwide brand. I want to be in Harrods and Selfridges and Barney's and all these other, fancy stores. I want to be known as a premium swimwear brand internationally, not just in Jamaica. I want to also continue making some more clothes, mostly resort wear. And I'd also like to do a mommy and me line, and I'd also like to do some men's resort wear.
Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.